until I looked at you, until I looked at you, until I looked at you.
Yo, what's up everyone, and welcome back for another GTA 5 online glitch video. So if you guys do go ahead and enjoy today's video, make sure to go down and drop a like. Also comment and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. And don't forget to turn on post notifications so you guys get a notification every time I do upload a brand new video here on my channel. And so that you guys can be first here on my videos. But anyways guys, before we go ahead and hop into this video, I'd like to mention I'm running a 54 modded account giveaway. The steps to enter this giveaway is to subscribe to me with post notifications on, like this video, comment your console 5 times, and lastly go into the description of the video where there will be more steps for you to do to have a greater chance at winning this giveaway. So after you guys have completed all the steps, you guys will be entered into my 54 modded account giveaway. But if you guys want a better chance at winning this modded account giveaway, you guys can go ahead and go follow me on my social media. So go follow me up on there for you guys to have a better chance to win this GTA 5 online modded account giveaway. But anyways guys, without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and get straight into today's video.
Starlight, it's our life.